Welcome to all aspirant and curator of 12 math students of CBSE board based on NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous video, we are concluding the chapter 10 under exercise 10.3 question number 17. In this question, vertices of triangle ABC are given. Vertices of the triangle A, B and C are given. The vector of the vertices A is 3i minus 4j minus 4k, and that of vertices B is 2i minus j plus k, and of C I minus 3j minus 5k. You have to prove that the triangle whose vertices are given here are right angle triangle. In other way, you have to prove the magnitude of largest side of this triangle is equal to sum of the magnitude square, sum of the square of the magnitude of two other sides. It means, as you know, in right angle triangle ABC, where AC is hypotenuse, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or square of base and square of perpendicular is equal to square of hypotenuse. In this pattern, based upon vector of the sides, we must conclude the magnitude of the sides. Before finding out the magnitude of the side, we will find out the vector of sides of triangle ABC. Here AB is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B minus position vector of A means 2i minus j plus k minus position vector of A means 3i minus 4j minus 4k, or 2i minus 3i means minus I, minus j plus 4j means 3j, k plus 4k means 5k. 2i minus 3i means minus I, minus j, and this 4j, 3j, plus k, and plus 4k, 5k. Now this is the vector. This is the vector of side AB, and BC is equal to position vector of C minus position vector of B. Position vector of C means I minus 3j minus 5k minus position vector of B, that is 2i minus j plus k, or I minus 2i is equal to minus I, and minus 3j, and this is plus j, minus 2j -5k -6k और AB is equal to -I -2j -6k. This is equation 1 and this is 2 representing the vector of sides. Now CA means position vector of A minus position vector of C. Position vector of A means 3I minus 4j minus 4k minus position vector of C I minus 3j minus 5k is equal to 3I minus I, that is 2I, minus 4j plus 3j minus 4j plus 3j minus j, and this is minus 4k plus 5k means k. This is the vector of CA is equal to 2I minus j plus k. Now we will find out the square of magnitude of the sides AB, BC and CA. Square of the magnitude AB means minus 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. This is minus 1 square means 1, this is plus 9 and this is 25. This is equal to 35. Similarly, square of the magnitude of the vector BC is equal to, from equation 1, minus 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 6 square plus minus 6 square. This is now 1 4 plus 36 is equal to 41, and ultimately the square of the magnitude of vector CA is equal to, from equation 3rd, here 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. This is equal to 2 square is equal to 4 and this is 1 and this is 1. 4 plus 1, this is equal to 6. If you observe minutely, you will see the sum the square of the magnitude of side AB 35 and the square of the magnitude of the side CA 35 plus 36 35 plus only 6 is equal to 41. Hence BC square is equal to AB square plus CA square, because 35 plus 6 41, here 41 is equal to 35 plus 6. Hence the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Hence ABC is a right angle triangle, or the sides of the triangles makes the sides of a right angle triangle. This is well done. Vector lambda A is a unit vector if and only if lambda A is equal to 1, or mod of lambda mod of A is equal to 1 or mod of A is equal to 1 upon mod of lambda then mod of vector इतना mod of vector lambda is equal to 1 upon this mod of vector lambda, but mod of A is equal to A, hence lambda is equal to 1 upon A, or A is equal to 1 upon mod of lambda. This is to be proved. Watching this video, please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.